4 types of power of attorney explained. Let's jump into it. We'll start with number 1, the limited power of attorney. A good example of a limited power of attorney is if you wanted to give someone the ability to sell your Toyota Camry that expires in September of 2022, right? So it's limited in time, and it can also be limited in scope. So you're giving the power to some third party. You're going to say, hey, you have the ability to do this limited thing, and it expires after this date. After this date, no matter what's written in there, whatever we say you can do, you can no longer do. And if you try to do something like go to the bank, they're going to deny you because this power of attorney, this limited power of attorney, only pertains to selling my car. That's just one example, but you can limit powers of attorney in terms of when they expire and what you're giving the agent the ability to do. You can limit both of those things, one of those things, the other, right? So that's infinitely malleable depending on what your needs are at the moment. Number 2, springing powers of attorney. This used to be very popular in Florida, and we have a lot of clients who ask about this all the time. A springing power of attorney is one that says this power of attorney is not enforceable or is not usable now. It is only becomes usable if I become incapacitated, meaning right now I'm signing this, I'm perfectly fine, which means whoever I've designated cannot make any decisions on my behalf unless or until sometime in the future I am deemed incapacitated. So this, again, used to be very popular. Unfortunately, it is no longer allowed. In 2011, the legislature said there's too much it's confusing for the third-party institutions, right? Like the bank has to do, we don't want the bank to have to do an investigation to determine whether or not you have been incapacitated or not. And so because it caused all this confusion, the legislature decided to do away with it. So since 2011, any power of attorney that is springing, meaning it's not enforceable now, is invalid. So it's not allowed. Nowadays, if you want a power of attorney, it has to be effective the moment you have it signed, witnessed, and notarized. Very important. So springing powers of attorney, no longer allowed in the state of Florida. Third, a durable power of attorney. Durable powers of attorney essentially say, as opposed to the limited power of attorney, durable powers of attorney say this power of attorney is effective even if I become incapacitated. Even if I lose the ability to make decisions for myself, this power of attorney continues on until my death. Durable powers of attorney are, I think, what 99% of the people want or desire when they're thinking about a power of attorney, right? The idea is to empower someone to help you make decisions when you are no longer able to make those decisions for yourself. That's really its primary purpose, so you don't have to go to court. That's what a durable power of attorney allows you, or really your loved ones, to do, is not go to a judge and say, listen, we don't have a good power of attorney to judge, please help us make the decision. That is probably not what you want. Also very, very expensive to hire a lawyer and go to court and get that done. Now, problem with a durable power of attorney that you find online is these are not one-size-fits-all documents, meaning the power of attorney has to be very, very specific. If your durable power of attorney cannot say, I give so-and-so the ability to do whatever they want, so help me God, and that's the end of it. Those generic durable power of attorneys really aren't going to help you, or they'll help you for very limited things like going to the bank or maybe dealing with real estate, which are important, but may not encompass everything that you need. For that, what you really want is this 4th type of power of attorney, which is an enhanced durable power of attorney. That's what our office typically focuses on. An enhanced durable power of attorney is, especially from an elder law attorney's perspective, we're focusing on making sure that your agents have the ability to protect your assets should you need help with your long-term care in the future. Do things that you can't do with an ordinary durable power of attorney, especially the template ones that we see online. Enhanced durable power of attorney, very strong document, very specific to catering to the needs of the elderly or the disabled, and immensely important. And in my mind, probably the most important document I can do for a client, because especially if you have some assets and you want to make sure that your loved ones are able to best protect them should you need help with home health care, ALF care, nursing home care, or helping to pay for expensive prescriptions, you really want an enhanced durable power of attorney. So hope that helps. Those are the 4 types of power of attorney explained. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I try to give out a lot of free practical information. If you are anywhere in the state of Florida and would like our assistance with Medicaid planning, estate planning, incapacity planning, or probate, please give us a call, and we look forward to serving you. Thank you very much for watching.